Today I'm at home. It's my day off. We had quarantine where I was home all the time and we would cook almost every day. But today I'm kind of making what I like to make for breakfast when I'm home. So I've got eggs. I usually do like scrambled eggs or make an omelet. Spinach. I like having spinach in it. Bacon. Sometimes I do bacon, sometimes I do ground beef. But today I just got a little bacon loaf. That's what. And I have cheese, so some cheddar cheese. I like to mix that in. And then you know, like butter and cream, just to make all the eggs nice and fluffy. Pepper. Spinach starts off so big and now it's shrunken down so much. All right. And six. Mixing. All right. 6 eggs, a bunch of spinach, and like 5 pieces of bacon in here, and white cheddar cheese. What's up, guys? Now I'm at Boss Barbell Club. This is our lounge area, so we got like a little lounge area and kitchenette. About to make breakfast in between some of my clients today. This is a pretty typical breakfast that I like to have. I'm basically making a sandwich. I like the smoked salmon. Just do some white bread, toast it, and then cream cheese and a little orange juice. Got that cream cheese. It's on the jalapeno flavor. Got to hit the rubber gloves here for the salmon because I'm not trying to have my hands smell like smoked salmon all day. But as you can see, like I get this from Costco. It's like 24 ounces. It's like 20 bucks for this whole thing. So it's a little bit pricey, but I probably make about 4 sandwiches out of all this. That's 6 ounces of salmon for each one, which is like 40 grams of protein. So living large, you know, maybe it's a little bit pricey to have like $5 per meal, but that's a lot better than eating out, and it's delicious too. So, all right, there we go. Sandwich is all made. Last stop, got my orange juice. So I kind of dilute the orange juice like 50-50 with water. I love orange juice, but I just don't like drinking too much of it. Kind of mess with my stomach a little bit. What's up, everybody? I'm back, about to do some more cooking. This time I'm at home, and I am about to do some grilling right over here. So these are sirloin steaks. I got them from Costco. These are great. These are like the USDA Prime. Costco has them for like very, very good pricing. Usually like $7.50, $8.50 per pound. And I use like a what we call the Santa Maria seasoning. It's like all salt and pepper and some I don't know, there's like molasses in there. Really, really tasty. Right now I'm just waiting for the burner to heat up. I like to throw it on when it's almost around 600. It's about the hottest that this one goes. So. Try to like press them down, get them nice and charred on each side. Do about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side at this temperature. And then I just take them off, and that's like they come out nice and raw. All right, they're looking good so far. All right, so here we go. We got the big steak here. A little salad, Caesar salad to go with it, and dogs are like, I thought we were cool. Nice and rare. It's got a nice like char on top, sear on top.
BP Muscle ตัวแทนนำเข้าและจัดจำหน่ายผลิตภัณฑ์อาหารเสริมแบรนด์ Animal และ Universal รวมไปถึงอุปกรณ์ฟิตเนสแบรนด์ Grizzly อย่างเป็นทางการแต่เพียงผู้เดียว